Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to easily view transferred media in your Discord chat, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the updated steps to access all the images, videos, and files shared in your chats on your Android device. Let's dive in. First, start by opening the Discord app on your Android device. If you don't have it installed yet, head over to the Google Play Store and download it. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the main screen where all your servers and direct messages are listed. Now let's move to the next step. Tap on the chat where you want to check out the media. This could be a conversation with friends, a group chat, or even a server DM. Once you're in the desired chat, look at the top of your screen. You'll see the contact's name or group name displayed there. Go ahead and tap on that name. This will take you to the chat settings for that specific conversation. Finally, it's time to view the media. You'll see various options, but you want to tap on Media. This will display all the attachments shared in the chat. You can scroll through the images, videos, and files at your leisure. It's that simple. So, there you have it. 4 easy steps to view transferred media in your Discord chat on Android. Whether you're checking out photos from a gaming session or videos from a funny conversation, accessing media has never been easier. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Happy chatting and see you next time.